Aqua with WTI.
Are you looking for a timeless light that's both modern and traditional? Well, I have found the most beautiful chandelier by Shrine. This is a drum chandelier, and this is in the size 20 inches in the color brass. I was so pleased of the outcome. It just really has added a lot of elegance and sophistication to my dining room. It's just the perfect light. The base is in a really pretty white fabric, and that's encased by a metal frame in brass. And it is very sturdy, it's not flimsy at all. This will definitely stand the test of time. One really nice feature is that this is adjustable, so you can just remove some of the chain rings and it will match any height up to 59 inches. This does take 4 E12 light bulbs, but I've noticed that these give off a lot of light, but not being too bright, but also not being too dull, just perfect for a dining room. I liked the finish on the metal. It was very pretty, not too shiny, not too dull, just a really pretty luminous look. And it was very easy to install and put together. Me and my husband did it in less than an hour. I've just been blown away by the results. I can't stop smiling at it when I see it. I've been so pleased with this beautiful light by Shrine. So if you're looking for a light for your dining room, living room, hallway, definitely check this one out because I don't think you'll be disappointed.
And that's my point of view.